Hey guys, it's Johan. Today is March 3rd. We're back at the Flakpanzer restoration project, and this is going to be the chassis update for today. We are with Rob Hall, a member of the chassis team. So Rob, can you tell me what's been going on today and what's been going on with the track?
Well, we've been doing a lot of work today. A bit of a dirty job. You can see here in front of me are the tracks, and what we had to do is section them in 10 lengths simply because of the weight of the tracks. Anything longer than that, two guys can't handle it. It's very heavy. To get them apart, after 70 years of corrosion, you can imagine the tracks are literally welded together. So what we have to do is we have to get a grinder and remove the retainer pins at the end. You can see the hole in this one here. That's where the retainer pin would be. And then we have to heat the actual track links here with a torch to get them cherry red. And the idea is with the track around the pin, when we heat it, it'll actually expand and release the pin. And that's literally the only way we can get it out. Once we have it a nice cherry red, the actual tracks, then we can get our shorter pins that we've made up and butting them against this existing pin, we can start driving it out with a sledgehammer. And usually, because of the corrosion and the rust, we usually have to go in and out to get it moving, and then once we've got it moving, then it'll actually drive all the way out. But it takes, depending on the pin, it can take sometimes 15-20 minutes a pin. If we're lucky, sometimes they slide out a lot easier, but very rarely. And it's a lot of work, very labor intensive, this part of it, but it has to be done, and eventually we'll have to do every pin. And unfortunately, this is the only way to do it, is heat it up and whale away with the sledgehammer. It's a very dirty job.
Yeah. Well, thanks a lot for your time, Rob.
You're more than welcome. Thank you.
Case.